Hi guys, Cars by 2.0, also known as and welcome back to another unboxing video. This is actually our 14th unboxing video for today. And now, we unbox, we go to actually do one most of all, how everything has been released. It's related to Joe, and I finally got one here. The Gold Plated Duck and Roll. The treasure hunt variant. We're gonna be unboxing this gold-plated duck and roll and see what this one's all about. And hopefully I'll be able to find the treasure hunt logo on this one. Let's get it unboxed, guys. Here we go. Alright. Out there. Whoops. Alright. Duck and rolls out. Rolls out. Look how shiny it is out this one. This gold body shape looks very good here. And there's the eye itself. Painted different color here. Two different colors. I thought the wheel on this one looks so good. There's Hot Wheels logo right over there. It says R90 right on it. I'm not sure exactly what that means though. Here's the backside of Duck and Roll with the engine and also turbine. Yeah, there's a turbine in the back. Well, here's the other side. This Duck and Roll right here. Same decal on this one too. But this one is probably the only treasure hunt that does not have the logo on it at all. That's it. At all. Yeah, there's actually no treasure hunt logo on this one at all. I mean, this one is the only treasure hunt that does not have her logo on it. It does have a gold-plated paint job on it. Out here. Right, guys? What do you think of this Duck and Roll? Let me know in those comments below. I got one more unboxing video to go, and I saved that one for last. So, see you on the next one, you guys. Peace.